Hi everyone, Hayden Bishop here, Beyond Celiac Ambassador. I'm here to give you an update as we are halfway through Celiac Awareness Month. So far, we've raised $12,647. Thank you if you have donated. That amount has actually been generously matched by a donor, and we now have a total of $25,294. I can't encourage you enough, if you can, donate more. If you haven't donated, to donate, because your donations and support of the Ambassador program helps bring Beyond Celiac closer to the goal of making a treatment for celiac disease by 2030. 2030, less than 10 years away. I can't tell you, as a person with celiac disease, how much it will change my life and everyone's life with celiac disease to have a cure. So thank you so much. It means the world to me that you have donated and your support of celiac disease and working towards a cure. Keep a lookout for updates from Beyond Celiac as we keep going through Celiac Awareness Month, and please donate and support if you can. Thanks.